My name's Nick. I'm from the Bulldogs, Kettering Ri3D team, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about some of the changes that we made in the wee hours of the night yesterday.
This First Updates Now video is sponsored in part by PTC and Kettering University. PTC's application Onshape is a professional design software that is provided to first students and mentors for free. You can use Onshape for your robot, the Game Design Challenge, and the Innovation Challenge. Discover why so many teams are using Onshape at onshape.com/edu. Continue your first career with Kettering University. Kettering University will support your first journey with up to $25,000 in scholarships available to first students in a robust alumni program. Schedule your virtual visit to get started at kettering.edu.
To start off with our shooter, you might have seen our shooter prototype video, and you might have noticed there were a couple problems with that. So for one, you can see it's a little wobbly here. This was constructed using 1/8" polycarbonate. We probably should have done quarter in retrospect, but hey, hindsight always 20/20, right? So in the future, we'll either need to bulk this up a lot using standoffs constructed to the frame, or we're just gonna need to bite the bullet and recut it. Another issue we had with the shooter is the belts from the Falcons to the actual shooter wheel are very tight, not pictured here because of what I'm about to tell you next. So when we actually fired up the shooter for the first time, the belts just kept launching off and eventually broke the splines within the pulleys. To fix that, we also might need to recut the plate or just get some beefier pulleys, but either way, we're in the process of fixing that up. But moving on from the issues with the shooter, we mounted some VersaFrame through the Kitbot chassis, plopped the shooter in, and starting to look like a robot. On the intake side of things, we got a lot of progress done on this last night. So now you can actually see what we've been dealing with in the CAD model. So this just extends off of a 4-bar linkage that's mounted to a block that's just dead mounted to the Kitbot frame with quarter 20 bolts, and uses a dead axle system of PVC rollers that are all driven by one bag motor on a Versaplanetary. To get the compression that we knew we wanted on the balls, we have this hard stop, just brick of VersaFrame. So when we extend the 4-bar linkage, the hard stop contacts the front bar of the linkage and it puts us at the ideal compression for the balls. This worked pretty well when we set up a rudimentary bumper and had it just suck balls into the robot, but we haven't been able to give it a full driven robot test yet. So looking forward to doing that soon. That's about a lot of the progress that we ended up making last night. Stay tuned for future updates.
Thanks for watching. If you want more fun content, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.